Hi, it's Mary again. So it's summer already here in Texas, so it's hot even at whatever this is, 7 or 8 o'clock at night. I'm working on the taillights, trying to replace the taillights. Pretty simple getting the case off. You just take off a few screws. Husband taught me pay attention to what bulbs you take out of what sockets. So we're also replacing this side light, and we're also replacing these little lights under the headlights. So I've already loosened the screws, and so I'm just going to take the whole case off and then replace the bulbs. Alright, so I'm going to replace these lights. I've just unscrewed some things, and then one thing I learned is these bulbs don't just come out really easy. You have to know the secret. Being a mere novice, I didn't know that all you had to do was push them and twist them. So I kind of messed one up, but hubby came along and saved the day and said, all you gotta do is push it down, twist it, pull it out. So push it down, twist it, pull it out. So much easier. Same thing on the back. You just twist them, pop them out. And there we go. And so I'll be back and we'll put the new casing and the bulbs back in. Okay, so I'm going to put the bulbs in and the casing on, or maybe not necessarily in that order. I think I can put the bulbs in first and then put the casing on. So the man at the auto shop told me I needed to put a little bit of grease on the bulbs. I'll open this up. Get one of them. So just to rub a little bit on it. Okay. And that one, get it on the bulb. It'll be all blurry. Push it in, twist it. Good. Alright, so I have the base plate, which the bulbs come through. Just going to screw on there. Put them in. Give them a little twist. Couldn't find my husband's electric drill. Make sure that stays on it. There. Left hand top. Screws ready.